So if you want to erase all your iPhone 17 data and make your iPhone as new like factory, I show you. So the thing you need to know is first you need to back up your iPhone data on Photos app and Files app. So we have two options. Either you can back up all those things on your external hard drive or back up on your PC or laptop using iTunes. If you don't know how to do that means you need to watch these videos on the I button, or I will provide the link on the end screen also. And the second thing you need to know is you need to know your Apple ID password. Okay, let's start this. And for this process you need the internet connection, either use your mobile data or Wi-Fi. Okay, first open Settings app and scroll down a bit and open General and scroll down to very bottom, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and you need to click this bottom option, Erase all content and settings. So here you can see 56 gigabytes of data I have on this iPhone, and my Apple ID will be signed out, and Find My iPhone will also signed out. Just click continue, erase iPhone. Okay, it will automatically upload the synced data to iCloud. For me, I don't want that, so I just click skip backup. Okay, now it's time. You need to enter your Apple ID password. I just type mine. Okay, I just entered my password and turn off and take this. Okay, here you can see the process was started. Just wait until you see the hello screen. It automatically came to the hello screen. You just need to wait. And one thing I forgot to tell you, for this process at least you have 60% of your battery on your iPhone, so it's must. So you can see the white mark, it will move to the right, then the work will be done. So you need to calmly wait. Okay, it's came to the hello screen. Just swipe up and that's it. You just choose the language and follow the upcoming steps. It's done. So if you don't know how to set up your iPhone 17 means, watch this video. I will clearly explain everything.